Today, we're gonna draw and color a super cute train with adorable bears riding in it. So, let's get started. First, let's start with the engine. For that, I will start with train wheels. Now, I'm drawing a big engine in the front with a smokestack and a rounded front. Let's add a window too! Now, time to draw a little coach behind the engine. Make it a rectangle with wheels. Next, let's draw our cute bears. One bear is sitting inside the engine, waving at us. And another bear is sitting happily in the coach. Isn't he adorable? I will draw some smoke. It is coming out of engine. Next, I will draw the track. To decorate the coach, I am drawing a flower on it, but you can decorate it however you like. It's time to color our drawing. Let's begin by coloring the engine first. Orange. Blue. Yellow. Green. Pink. Red. Gray. Let's color the wheels of the engine. Gray. Dark green. Blue. Light brown. Orange. Topaz. Black. I will color the bear brown. It's time to color the coach. First, I am coloring the wheels, gray. Now, I will color the center of the flower, yellow and petals, pink. Next, I will color the bear light brown. After coloring the bear, I will color the coach, dark green. Now, I will color the track purple. It's time to color the smoke gray. Now, I will draw the sun with yellow and its rays, orange. At last, I will color the sky, light blue. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.